Kikis, I am back. I am finished in my hair. Well, not fully finished. I gotta do my puffs. I'm gonna think about doing my puffs as in like putting like hair on them and to make them look like thicker and stuff like that. But before I do that, I want to go ahead and get your guys' opinion on my outfit because I like this part from top, but the bottom, like I'm debating on what shoes should I wear. Should I wear my sparkly shoes or should I wear my white shoes? But then I was thinking like, why should I wear my black shoes? Cutie, hi. Oh, you little baby. You're so cute, baby. I gotta get dressed. Okay, guys, as I was saying, like I was debating on which outfit should I go with. Should I go with my white shoes because it will match my black and white up top, or should I go with my gold shoes where it will match my gold, like give it hints of gold everywhere? Because my zipper is like silver though, but like if you just like in certain lighting, it gets a gold effect. But then I was like, I want like a hint of gold to like come through because I got gold here. Probably might have gold not necklace earrings. So I'm debating on which one or not. So I'm thinking about going with the gold ones because I haven't worn these shoes, but they're like the perfect height for this and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go with my gold ones instead of my white ones. But comment down below which ones you like. Would you like the gold ones? Or would you like the white ones? Comment down below. You got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, your comments are in, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So yeah, see you guys back when I finish my hair. Well, actually, we should do our spray before that. So let's go ahead and do our spray. We're back, and now we got our spray. I wanted to do with this one because I did these two last time, these two the other time. So today is your turn because this one I am in love with this spray. Like it smells so good. It reminds me of like kind of like an elegant class, but also don't mind my nail because I ended up popping and broke it off. I popped 2 of them actually. But this reminds me of class. This smells good, elegant. So yeah, with this kind of spray. Let me take this off. Here's your spray, and here's my spray. It's really good. Like I really love this smell. Like I don't remember where did I get this? Oh, I got this. This is one I got from Simpleton, and this like smells so good. Like if you guys are ever stopping and have a Simpleton at your place, go ahead and get one of these because it's bomb. Don't forget to put some of your chapstick on so your lips don't be chapped during the day. Simpleton. Oh, that was a cute one. That was very pretty. Bell bombs. Is that a different one that we got?
You got this?
I think we got that one. Because we have a ball like that. Oh, I like this one. Oh, same brand. I'm gonna get this one soon. With that, because I got this shirt at home, all I need is just get dressed like this. Just put over it, it looks so nice. And get some more pants like this. Get a purse like that. Hat like that. Okay, cuties, now we're at Kroger's and it's cold and it's raining. I want to get in the house. I was telling them, our fans. Yeah.
At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. When it's so won't you send me your location? Let's focus on.
You know what I'm thinking? Charcuterie board. I don't really eat those shoes. Make those.
I don't need nothing else but you. I don't need nothing else but
That's lemon. That's your meat. These hurt, especially when I was walking before. I think that's why I stopped walking these ones because they're too tall for my back. And then it's been falling, so like I don't know where it
I don't wanna fall in love off of some sweet. So
Should I get them these?
tell me what's the move and I got you. I'm only acting like this cause I like you. Just give me the vibe to slide in. Oh, I might make you mine by the night. Then send me your location. Let's focus on communicating. Cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location. Let's find the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, come and vibe with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Nothing else but you. I don't need nothing else but nothing else.